What is the difference between an activity and a fragment?
An activity and a fragment are both fundamental building blocks in Android, but they serve different purposes in app architecture. Represents a single, full-screen UI that users interact with, manages the window in which the app draws its UI. Its entry point to an application, defined in the manifest with intent. Each activity has its own lifecycle on create, on start, on resume, etc. For high-level navigation or screens that stand alone, we use activity. Also as the host container for fragments. Fragment is a modular section of UI and behavior that lives inside an activity. Also, it cannot exist without being hosted by an activity, directly or via Fragment Manager. Fragment has its own lifecycle, but it's tied to the parent activity's lifecycle. Fragment allows reusability. The same fragment can be used in multiple activities or layouts. When to use Fragment for reusable UI components across multiple screens. For multi-pane layouts like tablets, master, detail screens. When you want dynamic UI updates inside a single activity.
Can a fragment exist without an activity?
No, it must be hosted inside an activity.
How do fragments communicate with each other?
Either through the hosting activity, a shared view model, or the navigation component.
What is the fragment backstack?
A mechanism maintained by Fragment Manager to handle navigation and allow the user to go back.
When should you prefer the navigation component?
For complex navigation flows, deep links, and safe argument passing.